You've been wondering how to play DraftKings in a restricted area, haven't you? I was too. But then I found the best VPN for DraftKings, so maybe we should go check those out now. Yeah, most of you were probably searching for the answer to how to bet on DraftKings out of state, right? But first, I got a quick disclaimer for you, because I am not here to encourage, promote, or even talk about gambling itself. Look, if you're gonna do it, do it. Just do it responsibly. And if you end up having a problem, then please Google Gambling Helpline and find a resource near you. Okay, with all that stuff out of the way, and you're probably just wondering how to access DraftKings, well, I gotta say right off the bat that NordVPN gets the job done. And as you can see on my screen, even though I'm located in the US, I also happen to be in an excluded region, so DraftKings is not going to let me play. I mean, technically, I can make an account, but this error message will reappear if I try to do anything else. Now, like I said, one of the best VPN DraftKings works well with is NordVPN. And if we open up their desktop app here on my screen, you can see that they've got over 5,400 different server options to choose from. Plus, I like that their Quick Connect button makes connecting to and switching the servers super convenient and easy. Alright, I picked NordVPN for this DraftKings Sportsbook VPN tutorial simply because they've had consistent results in accessing restricted content time and time again. I also appreciate that they use RAM-only servers, so I know that my data gets wiped after each use. This is especially important since you have to enter financial info into the site, and I want to make sure it continues to be for my eyes only. Okay, so now that I've got NordVPN ready to go on my desktop, let's connect to a server. Remember, DraftKings is currently only available in certain locations like the US, UK, and Canada. So let's try Canada. For example, I simply find Canada on my list of servers, hit the connect button, and yeah, that's it. Now, if I refresh the DraftKings page, let's refresh the page here. Here we go. Yep, you're going to see that it is performing as though I'm in a non-geo-restricted location. If you're thinking of trying out a DraftKings VPN like this one, make sure to head on over to the description box for Cyber News exclusive discount deals. They really are. Now, it's worth noting that not all VPNs are going to work consistently, so picking the one that's right for you is going to be super important. I've actually run into a few hiccups while using VPNs, but hey, it happens, and no matter which VPN you choose, the good ones that we recommend are going to have steps to fix any problems and should be a pretty straightforward process. The ones we don't recommend? Good luck. All right, so let's open up a recommended one. Yep, Surfshark VPN, and I can show you some go-to troubleshooting steps that I've uncovered. The first one, of course, is just changing the server. I'll try staying in the same country, but choosing a different region, since some regions just happen to work better at certain times. So as you can see here, I can easily switch between different servers in the US, but again, you're gonna have to make sure that you're choosing a region where DraftKings isn't blocked. Like these spots. Alright, this sometimes takes a few tries, but it usually does the trick. If it doesn't work for some reason, well, you could try clearing your browser's cache for a clean reset, or you just may need to try out a different browser, or hey, maybe even go into incognito mode. Those work a lot of the time as well. Lastly, if you're still having some VPN problems, you can contact customer support. Another reason I often talk about NordVPN and Surfshark is because they actually have customer support that's available 24/7. And just in case some of you guys might be wondering if DraftKings detects VPN usage, well, there's actually no need to worry, because remember, DraftKings is only capable of checking your IP address, but with a VPN, we're changing that, and therefore completely bypassing their geo restrictions. Alright, so before we wrap this up, remember, if you're interested in playing DraftKings, VPN providers who offer several server options in multiple regions are going to be the best way to go. Oh, and I have a few DraftKings VPN honorable mentions that all have large server fleets, so they're also great for accessing content like this. Like NordVPN, Surfshark VPN also uses RAM-only servers, so your data always stays safe. And I love that one subscription can be used on unlimited number of devices. And we're talking access to 3,200 servers in over 100 countries. IPVanish also offers unlimited simultaneous connections, which is pretty great. Plus, they have over 2,000 servers in 75 different locations. The only downside is that their price increases after your first subscription term. Now, ExpressVPN does unfortunately hide their server count for some reason, but I do know that they have servers in around 94 countries at the moment. They also use RAM-only servers, which I love, but keep in mind they are one of the priciest VPN providers on the market. Lastly, CyberGhost. They come in with a whopping 9,700 servers in 91 countries, so there are definitely some great options here to choose from. So to sum all of this up, with proper internet connectivity, a reputable provider, and a tiny bit of patience, everyone will be able to access a VPN. DraftKings is fun, yes, but again, not here to encourage any online gambling, but hopefully this video can help you connect to DraftKings from just about anywhere more easily, and you can go have some fun. Alright, there's my VPN for DraftKings tutorial. Let me know what kind of tutorial you need to see next. Hopefully this video helped show you how to use DraftKings with a VPN. Oh, also don't forget to grab those exclusive details that are on the screen now. Yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one.